I have a Chevy Silverado here. I can see there's old bodywork all throughout this area.
I stay putting in that work, everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Chevy Silverado here. This one just has some minor damage down the side on the cab corner right here. Some light scratches on the rear door, and then some minor damage on the bedside. I am going to go ahead and work this back into shape and get this one knocked out. So as you can see, as soon as I touched a grinder to this, I could see there's old bodywork all throughout this area. There also was some on the cab corner as well. So I don't want to grind all of that prior bodywork out. And being that this is very minor damage anyway, I'm just gonna do a glaze coat right over top of that right there and right there.